Hello everybody, I'm here. My name is Eric Eitel. I'm here with SMSA President Josh Argo, and we're at the CME conference in Washington, D.C. Josh, how was your first day at the conference?
It's pretty good, you know. It was definitely a long day, but a lot of useful information about how to break into the sports industry, and definitely some good tips brought out from some big professionals in the industry.
Who are some of the people that you networked with?
I actually networked with Bobby Goldwater. He owns his own kind of image consultant firm that he created. I talked with him pretty extensively, probably for a good half an hour, just about how he got into that and different aspects that his business takes on.
Oh, good. And I guess if you had to take away one thing from day one of the conference, what would it be?
I would say probably one of the biggest things I learned was, just make sure you follow up with people and, try and personalize your information to the person that you're meeting. So instead of just emailing them once and waiting for a response back, maybe email them a second time and then give them a call or send them a personal letter, because just going that extra step instead of just writing an email, but instead handwriting the letter, it shows that you are truly interested in working for them and doing business with them.
And that sounds good. All right, and thank you everybody for listening. This is Josh Argo. You can follow him on Twitter. What's your Twitter name?
That's Josh_Argo.
Josh_Argo. All right, I'm Eric Eitel. Thank you.